Mookie.
Yeah.
And we back with another reaction video. Mookie, we got This Is Rally, bro. Now, we did a reaction video on this probably a year, 2 years ago, bro. This was basically, you already know, the drifting cars, the sounds. Do you remember?
Kind of, sort of, yeah.
Look, man, this is Rally, best scenes of Rally and Purest sound. If y'all new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all give us y'all opinion on this.
All on this.
And what y'all think. Mookie.
Yeah.
Let's get to it, bro.
You request and jump here, caution, 3 right, 1 on the outside. Now watch this one. 3 right, 1 on the outside, and 80 down. Watch the tires. 80 down. Oh, you're all right. Keep it together. That's it. Keep it together. Keep it together. Hold it. Hold it. That's the one. Watch the car thing here now. Watch the chicane. That's the style. That's the style of her. Keep it together.
Is somebody
Crazy,
reading?
bro. Huh?
Somebody reading this dude like where to
think
go at?
The navigation dude probably on the other side.
And man, what he just getting it in.
No, no.
That's tough. That's good, yo. Oh my gosh. Ooh!
Did it hit the people?
Yeah, boy. Damn.
No guardrails or nothing.
Ooh!
Yeah, it hit that dude right there.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's crazy.
Okay, Need for Speed got flamethrowers coming out the back and all that, bro.
Look at that.
That was hard.
Yo, that's nuts, bro. How did that even happen? Fire coming out the back.
Beautiful.
Push it, push it.
Lord have mercy. For what?
Oh!
They had no guardrail there. Nuts. In the snow. Still back up, though. Look. Is this where it happened at? Woo! Sorry. Die, bro.
These dudes is tough.
Look, run.
Oh!
That's all.
Yeah, he done. They done.
Replay, baby.
Ah.
Turn around before he hit the finish line.
What the heck?
Look at that, yo. Come on, bro.
God. Tough.
That was dope. That was dope.
100 mètres sans frein bord pour gauche 2, attention étroit. Frein bord pour gauche 2 étroit, attention. Putain le frein.
Something going on with the car.
Oh, damn.
Ça va dodo. Ça va dodo.
Like good.
Marshall telling them to move from there.
That's crazy. That was dope, though. That was cool.
Questions you gotta ask. Highlight.
How are all the cars racing at the same time?
Nah, I think
I
they
was
doing
saying
it
like
one
one
by
at a
one.
time.
Yeah, I think they doing it one by one.
To see who gets the fastest time.
Yeah,
That was my only question.
yeah. Is that like the goal? It's the goal for you to make sure you don't hit nothing, or the goal is for you to go as fast as you can.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You feel me? Like the talent on these dudes is incredible. Nobody's really
drifting
driving.
is cool, too.
Man, NASCARs don't even drive like that, yo. And I don't watch NASCAR.
NASCAR don't race on no type of tracks, nigga.
Bro, this is crazy, bro. How many? I know people get injured.
Yeah.
I know people get injured from this, bro. Y'all hitting people. It's all in the snow, the dirt, Mookie. This is wild. Look, man, I know y'all gonna want more videos like this because me and Mookie did one. We just ain't get back to this. If y'all new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Yes,
Please
sir.
tell us everything that we need to know about Rally, bro.
Rally, yes.
You feel me? I'm Nick DUNSON.
And I'm Mookie Dust.
And we out, baby. One.